If you don't like spending a fortune but still love stylish and functional finds, then stick around. Alright, let's talk design. This product looks seriously sleek. Think modern vibes that fit anywhere. Minimalist? Eclectic? It blends right in. But wait, it's not just eye candy, it's super versatile. Use it in your workspace to keep things tidy, spruce up your home, or even gift it to someone special. It's a multitasker's dream. And here's the kicker, the price. You'd expect something this chic and functional to cost a bomb, but nope, it's totally budget-friendly. I was shocked at how affordable it is, especially for this quality. So if you're curious for more details, check the description below. Don't